internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have December's Zenpop box unboxing video. So this is, as I said, for December, so it is very Christmas-esque, which I am loving. I really enjoyed Christmas last year. I guess last year, it seems weird to say it even though it was only a couple weeks ago, but here is the QR code if you want to follow along from home. Okay, so put this aside and alright, I don't even know if I'm going to test these. These are just mild liners. I mean, if you guys have been in the planner world for any length of time, you know that these are like some of the go-to highlighters. So I might not actually test these, and I'm probably not going to test them because I actually think I'm going to give them away to somebody instead. So that's why I don't want to use them. We have a dual tip metallic pen, and I think those are all the pens for this kit. So I'll test this at the end of the video. So first up is, I think this is a whitening tape, like a correction tape. Yeah, it looks like it. Even though it looks like there's multiple barrels, it seems kind of large, but I think it's correction tape. It's 6 meters, which is huge, which explains why this is actually on the larger side for me, because I'm used to much smaller. Like, for example, this is the one I currently have on my desk, so you can see like the size difference, but I'm pretty sure this is much smaller in comparison. It's definitely not 6 meters, but it is 4 millimeters wide, so it is on the slightly smaller side, which is kind of nice. There you go. Yeah, I'm much more used to the 5 millimeter, so having 4 millimeters is really good change of pace, especially because I find sometimes, especially in the Hobonichis, the 5 millimeter can be a little thick. But it has like a little cap, so protected, so it's great for travel. And yeah. Oh, okay. So I'm just like pulling it apart. I'm not going to pull it right apart, but I guess this is the replacement cartridge in it. Awesome. Love it. We have some washi tape. Oh, this is very silvery. Wow. I've never seen washi tape with this like little tab, but you can kind of see this holographic Christmas. It looks Christmassy, doesn't it? It looks like a pine tree. Some flowers, but it's I don't know whether opening it is going to make it much easier to see, because it is pretty like packed in together. All right, so I've taken it off, but yeah, I'm not quite sure if that was even useful because you can't really see the design very well. It's very overlaid, but hopefully you could see from previously. It's like a floral design with some pine trees, and I thought there was like a wolf in there as well. Kind of cool, but not washi paper-esque. Like, it's more of a plastic feel, like a cellophane tape. However, I'm pretty sure these are washi, so these are like cut away washi strips that are exactly, what length is this? 50 millimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 2.1 centimeters tall. So I have a couple of these, but I'm going to admit I don't actually use them because I haven't really been able to figure out a good use case for it. Oh, this one's come loose, but you would stick it here and then close it up like this, and then you can put it in your journal. I haven't really come up with a really good use case yet. I guess I could use them for like sticking on photos in my travel journal. That's probably going to make the most sense, and actually I do need to fill it out because I've been doing a little bit more travel, and I really want to have a proper, I want to actually restart my travel journal now that I have a family of 3 instead, so maybe that's what I'll use it for. But yeah, in my Hobonichi at the moment, I don't really use this. Then we have some mini message cards. How cute are these? They're literally just like little cards that you can leave messages on, which this is all so nice. I feel like given Christmas is over, this is like stuff that I would have gladly used to wrap Christmas presents, but that is okay because I can always save it for other presents. Oh, these are cute. These are like flake stickers, but they're all pastel. Oh, you can see the designs here. These are really nice shapes for journaling. They're so like, not odd, but I guess you could say they're odd. They're very irregular shapes. Usually you get very set looking shapes, but these ones are much nicer. I wonder what the texture is like. I'm really hoping that this isn't plastic, but I get the feeling it may be plastic. And It kind of is. Oh man, that's kind of annoying. It would have been so nice if it wasn't, because if this was more like washi paper type texture, this would just go so well in my Hobonichi. I would totally use it in my Hobonichi, but because it's plastic, I'm gonna have to find a different use for it. Bummer. Okay, now we have a notebook desk, like a little notebook for your desk. That would make sense. Okay. Oh, it's just a simple notebook that you can keep. That's cute. And it has those like little grids here, so that if you are writing in Japanese characters, this would be totally fine. And then the last one is a letter set. I think this letter set actually encompasses the theme for this month's kit, which is like Polar Express, or kind of like a winter vibe. So this is very, if you live in Japan, because this is how the postcode is written. And this is the envelopes. They're so beautiful, these colors, so gradient. I love it. And then I love this little holographic thing here. All right, so whoops, there's a sticker on the loose. I think that's pretty much everything in the box. Let's go test out that pen. All right, so this is a 10. It is a dual metallic brush pen. And so let's see, I'm kind of just winging it. All right, no instructions, so I'm gonna try and figure this out. But you've got this one side, which is a brush. Yeah, like a brush. And then, can I open this end? Oh, I can't. You can push this end. So I wonder if it's like pushing ink down. Yeah, it is kind of pushing ink down, right? But I think there's like a stopper somewhere that's stopping it from going all the way down. No, it's not actually. You can see the purple coming through. But why does it say dual? Because I would think there's like two sides. Okay, I am so confused. I think it's just one side. I'm just going to try and get the ink to come out as much as I can. I also read on the note paper that it gives a different effect if you write on black paper. So I'm going to see if I can find some black paper to show you what it looks like. Okay. Oh, that's nice. The ink's not all the way out, but you can kind of get a sort of a feel for it. It's a very rich purple ink. All right, and then if I was to try on black paper, I don't have black paper, which I'm really bummed out about. Like, I literally cannot find any, so I'm just going to use the back of this weekly journal. It's 2022, so it's okay to use now, but I don't know if I'm crazy, but I don't really notice a difference between what I see here and what I see here. Like, it kind of seems similar to me, so I don't know whether I really do need black paper or not, but yeah. There you have it. So anyways, that is everything from the December Zenpop box unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.